Hi, and welcome to YeFit Adventures. My name is Darren, and this channel is about backpacking, cooking, and fitness. So if those are interesting to you, please consider subscribing and like this video. In today's video, I wanted to share with you my Christmas haul. So let's get started. First off, I got this gift from my ama and agong. This is the Ridge Outdoor Gear hammock. It's an 11-foot hammock. It's an all-in-one set. So it comes with tree straps, heavy-duty carabiners, an integrated bug net, a ridgeline organizer, and pull-outs. So I'm excited to test this out because this is my first 11-foot hammock, and the other hammocks that I have are about 10 foot. So I'm going to see if this is a little bit more comfortable. Next item I'd like to share, gift. This is a gift from my mom. This is the 10 Essentials fast-paced card game to prepare for the wild. It's up to 2 to 4 people can play, about 30 minutes, but it has a bunch of cool cards inside. Thanks, Mom, for this. Next gift I received was this cool Stanley Boil and Brew French press. Now I got this from my brother-in-law, Brandon, Christine, Avery, Amber, and David. It is a nesting set. It comes with a vented pot lid like this, and you can see the French press right inside there. But it looks very sturdy. I'm not sure if this is something I would take on a backpacking trip, but definitely a camping trip. I also got from them was a little gas stove made in China. This is by a company called Desert and Fox Ultralight Mini. Iconic cooking, camping, and hiking. 45 grams, but it's similar to the BRS stove, and it says the power output is 3000. This is from my Uncle Nolan and Auntie Willie. This is from Bass Pro Shop. This is an outdoor essential combo. It comes with a flashlight, which is 3.5 inches in length, 75 lumens, and it takes one AAA battery. Also in the set comes a flip lock knife. It is overall length 6 inches, closed length 3.5, blade length 2.5, with 420 steel blade, and a reusable waterproof case. Thank you very much. I also got with them, this is a shacket, which is like a sweatshirt and a jacket in one. It's really nice. This is size small, but it's quilted inside and it's very warm. Thank you very much for this gift. My next gift is from my sister, Deborah, Dean, Jake, and Leah. This is the Luminade 2-in-1 Max phone charger. It's also a lamp, but it says you can recharge it in the sun. It's solar powered, 16 to 20 hours in direct sunlight. USB-A, you can charge your phone, 2000 milliamp battery, 5 brightness settings, and it has a little LED battery indicator. So I'm excited to test this out. It's kind of neat. So it kind of lights up and pops up. We'll see how to test it this year. A couple of brightness settings. There we go, blinking one. My next gift, this is from a friend of mine. This is from David Chang. It says, I'd rather be hiking. This is a known YouTuber, backpacking YouTuber, Dan Becker. Dan Becker, thanks for the shirts. Thank you, David, for getting me this for Christmas. I'm gonna get some good use out of it. I'd like to thank my subscribers, some fellow backpacking YouTubers that have helped me along the way. Rob at Art Peloton 1, he's another backpacking YouTube channel. He's helped me with this channel. Senior Hiker 77, great guy, has weekly videos going out and camping. When I first started this channel back in February, I only had 6 subscribers, and now it's up into the 60s. I was hoping to get to maybe 100 subscribers, but maybe in 2021, who knows. So thank you again. I hope you had an enjoyable holiday this season, and I want to wish you all a Happy New Year. Till next time, take care and stay safe.